Lobby Day, Uncovered. Dive into its meaning. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English phrase, Lobby Day. Ever wondered what it means or how to use it in a conversation? You're in the right place. Let's unravel this together. Lobby. The word lobby has several meanings, but in this context, it refers to a form of advocacy where individuals or groups try to influence decisions within governmental institutions. Think of it as persuading decision-makers, like politicians, to take a certain action. Day. The word day usually refers to a 24-hour period. But in the phrase, lobby day, it doesn't necessarily refer to the time duration but more to a specific event or occasion designated for a certain activity. When we combine these words, Lobby Day typically refers to a designated day where groups or individuals gather, often at legislative buildings or government offices, to advocate for their causes. It's a day of focused action, where these advocates seek to make their voices heard and influence decision-making. For example, a group concerned about environmental issues might organize a Lobby Day to speak with lawmakers about stronger pollution regulations. Understanding a phrase is one thing, but knowing how to use it in context can really solidify your grasp. Here are a few examples. 1. Our organization is planning a lobby day next month to address the new tax reforms. 2. Many activists came together on Lobby Day to advocate for animal rights. 3. Attending a lobby day can be a powerful way to contribute to causes you care about. And that wraps up our exploration of Lobby Day. Remember, it's a specific day where groups or individuals advocate for their beliefs or causes to decision makers. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing phrase. Until next time, keep expanding your vocabulary and happy learning.